An IT graduate, Eamon had everything to live for, but at 27 came a devastating blow.
He collapsed at home. We had nothing to suggest anything was wrong.
The youngest son of 4 was diagnosed with a glioblastoma, a common brain tumour. He died 5 months later.
It's terribly difficult for the whole family. The grief is just so profound. I never realised I could feel grief so deep as the passing of my son.
But with grief comes frustration that in the end, Eamon's dad, a doctor himself, could not find a clinical trial for his son, despite frantically trying every waking minute.
But it's just so hard to navigate. Now here's me, a consultant surgeon, with all my connections, with all my knowledge, a previous minister in the government with even more connections. And how tough was it? It was virtually impossible.
And he's not alone.
So currently, if you receive a diagnosis today, neither you nor your family member, nor even sometimes your doctor, will be able to find a clinical trial that might be relevant and appropriate for you to take part in. And nationally, we need to be able to do better than that.
This is despite 3 government inquiries over a decade calling for a national one-stop shop for medical research, like this online portal in the UK, which shows every trial in the country and who qualifies for treatment.
Every drug that we take today has gone through clinical trial. This is the standard way that we approve drugs.
$18 million has been set aside in last year's federal budget for a design phase of a streamlined, easy-to-use system. But a fit-for-purpose portal is by no means guaranteed and would require a lot more funding.
There are many, many people like my Eamon that would benefit from a clinical trial when their diagnosis is beyond any normal medication that's available today.
Throwing the spotlight on a heartbreaking issue in a bid to save others. Lexy Hamilton-Smith, ABC News.